In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat support to your Shopify site. Adding live chat can significantly enhance the way you communicate with your customers, offering them prompt and real-time assistance right at their fingertips. This can not only boost your site's customer experience, but also potentially increase sales and customer satisfaction. Let's walk through the process together. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu of options. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where you can find and manage applications that add extra functionality to your online store. It's a vital place for enhancing features, whether you're looking to improve your marketing, sales, or support. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to look for Live Chat. This will direct you to the Shopify App Store, which is filled with various third-party apps tailored specifically for Shopify users. These apps are key to expanding what your site can do beyond its default capabilities. At this point, you'll be greeted with a list of apps that support live chat functionality. Each app offers different features and pricing plans, so it's important to consider what your specific needs are. Take your time exploring each available option. You can click on the apps to dive into detailed descriptions, user reviews, and pricing details. This will help you assess whether the app aligns with your business goals and budget. Once you've decided which live chat app suits your store, the next step is to install it. Simply click Install on your chosen app. The installation process typically involves granting permissions that the app requires to integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store. After the installation, you'll need to set up the app. It's important to follow the instructions closely as the setup process can vary depending on the app you've selected. Most apps guide you through the essential steps, including customization options like chat window styles and preset messages. You might also need to create an account with the app platform as part of the configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a live chat function into your Shopify site. This feature will allow your customers to easily reach out with questions or concerns, and as a result, you're positioning your business as customer-centric and responsive. To wrap things up, make sure to test the chat function yourself to ensure everything is working smoothly. Encourage your customers to reach out whenever they need assistance. Remember, live chat is not just a support tool. It's an opportunity to engage with your audience, understand their needs, and build a loyal customer base. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep providing excellent support and watch your online business thrive.